just about fits. What's that, William?
When I read the instructions, I realised this is actually a siphon to put fuel in.
George, you can make it like cool. It's waking.
William, do you want to come here and hold this? There. There we go.
Yeah, so a few of the bolts were a little bit loose, not too loose, but just they could do with a little bit of a tightening. So I'd recommend just going around the mower and just making sure everything is tight. So this is the first time starting it As you can see, it started instantly. Real nice. That was quite positive. Yeah, so overall, after using it, it's a good mower. Probably on the positive, it's got a real good draw on it. It doesn't seem to get blocked very, very, very rarely. It's got real good suction on it. It's got the bag on it's decent. It can hold quite a bit. Got a good cutting deck. Seems to have plenty of power. It starts really well. It's quite nice having the speed setting, although I always had it up to 5. The only thing I probably would say is that it vibrates a bit too much. We did have a little bit of an issue with the wheel as well.